Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's a question a lot of Ram owners ask when they notice spots under the truck. Why is my truck leaking oil? And where does it usually come from? The first thing to know is that not every fluid leak is actually engine oil. So the first step is figuring out what fluid you're looking at. Engine oil is usually brown or dark black and feels slippery. Transmission fluid is often reddish, and coolant is typically green, orange, or pink and has a bit of a sweet smell. So identifying the fluid color can give you a big clue to what system is coming from. If it's engine oil, a few spots are very common leak areas on Ram engines. One is the oil filter housing or the oil cooler lines. Another is valve cover gaskets, and sometimes you'll see leaks around the oil pan gasket. Now, sometimes you might see a small seep or damp area, which isn't always urgent. The seep means the gasket is starting to sweat oil, but it's not actively dripping yet. Cold weather can also make leaks more noticeable. When temperatures drop, rubber seals and gaskets shrink slightly, which can allow oil to seep out until the engine warms up. But if you're seeing drips hitting the ground, oil on the exhaust, or the oil level dropping quickly, that's when it becomes a real leak and you should get it checked right away. And if you ever see heavy leaking or a sudden drop in oil pressure, that's when you should stop driving immediately to prevent engine damage. So the first step in identifying what fluid it is and where it's coming from. If you have any questions, give us a shout at 780-942-3629.